I run ads and all those things. Well, after 1 month, I start implementing all those things, and when I start implementing, lots of challenges came in that business. But challenges are part of a business. We have to figure out
Agreed.
where right, we have to just we have to figure out where we are lacking. We just have to figure out where we are lacking, and we have to find the solution, right? So same thing I did. First my journey started as an affiliate marketer, but I was not getting that much result. I did affiliate marketing for 3 months, but that was not, I can say, very successful business model for me. Then I switched myself to dropshipping. I started.
Yeah,
I did for 3. Yeah, sure.
Sorry to interrupt, but what I feel is that in your 20s and 30s and in your 40s also, you should try and taste things. You should do that all things which you wanted, and in that, by doing these multiple things, you will figure it out which one is right for you. But to figure it out which is right niche for you, you should keep on trying multiple things. And this is the best example. Yeah, continue.
Definitely. So then I switched myself to dropshipping, which is very much similar to affiliate marketing. When I started doing dropshipping, then I started getting result in dropshipping. So that's how my journey towards dropshipping started. And right now I'm doing.
What are you doing now?
I am running my e-commerce store in US as well as in India. And I have a very big planning. I have a very big planning for all the people who are in India and who wants to do e-commerce. So there's a big planning, but right now it is secret.
Okay, so they will reach out to you. What's your ID? Insta ID?
Shilpa Rao 99.
Shilpa Rao 99. So I will definitely tell all my friends to get in touch with you, and let's grow big. And any advice at the last for me or for the girls out there? Any advice you want to give?
The advice is simple, that you have to update yourself with the time. You need to educate yourself. See, there are 2 kinds of education. First is formal and second is self-education. My main, personal suggestion to you is focus on self-education, because I am the result of self-education. There is no role of formal education in my journey. No role of formal education, right? So whatever that I did in my life, it is all because of self-education. I had 10,000 rupees in my bank account, which was my scholarship in my 10th, because I got 91% in my 10th class. So because of that, I got scholarship from the government of Haryana. That was around 11,000, something like this. So I had a plan ki I will purchase a mobile from this 11,000 after passing my class 12th. But after passing my 12th class, I got an opportunity which can enhance my personality, which can, give growth in my life. So at that time, I just rejected that decision of purchasing mobile, and I invested that 11,000 in that opportunity. Right?
Nice.
And
This is really inspiring.
Right. So my suggestion to you, this is the age where you have energy, where you have time, right?
Correct.
You don't have money. In young age, we don't have money. We have time, we have energy, right?
Yeah.
So utilize this time and utilize this energy in your life and make money from it. This is my biggest suggestion to you.
Thank you so much. Like Sumukh has joined now, even he is part of Communication Mastery, and we both stay together. So we keep on talking about each and every person who is doing well in the communication group. And yes,
I can see Narendra Sharma is joining.
Sumukh Jivan has joined.
Jivan, thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you so much. Right. You're not audible, Vikram?
I'm not. No.
Now you are.
I was not speaking. I was looking what you were doing. So Shilpa, it was really very great. This will really encourage all the girls out there, because the journey is very long for each and everyone, and the girls should not stop them for doing anything. Whatever plans they have in their mind, they should start executing and stop listening to the world. Whoever is trying to pull them down or putting that negativity, I suggest them, please don't listen to them. tell them like you can ignore them or remove them mentally. Don't try to connect with them. Stay like keep your environment very strong and positive. So this will really help you to grow. And whatever your thought, whatever is your plan, please execute, because the life is very big. We have a long way to go, and don't have that blocker of like I will be living for just 30 years, 40 years, next 30 years or next 40 years. No, it's not like that. We never know when we are gonna die. So it's only one life. Keep playing, play it big, and please achieve all your goals. So
Absolutely. And always remember that challenges are a part of life. Whenever you try something new, challenges will definitely come. It's all about your attitude. It's all about your mindset, how you are dealing with those challenges. So always thanks to God. Whenever you get some challenge, always thanks to God for all this challenge. It's mean God believes in you. That's why the God is giving you all these challenges, because the God know your strength. Right?
Correct.
Always remember this thing.
That's really encouraging. And like Shilpa, I wanted to tell you this, that why I told you to come live is because there are many girls who are not doing anything. They have their plans, they want to do something, but they need that external support. They want someone else who have done it already, and you happen to be like the best example. And with this video, this video will be encouraging to each and everyone, and all the girls out there. So thanks for connecting, and thanks for sharing your knowledge, your values, and the story was really awesome. Don't listen to anyone. Whatever there is in your mind, keep on doing. And thanks for joining, Shilpa.
Thank you so much, Vikram, for inviting me here. Thank you.
It was really very awesome. Thank you so much.
It was an awesome interaction.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. And
Thank you so much,
definitely
everyone.
we will come again.
For sure.
lots
With
of value.
we will come with another topic, and we will try to enrich more people. And
Where we will discuss about boys empowerment.
Sure. All boys went because this topic was not related to them. But yeah, we will come definitely with something which will help world. And yeah, let us make it big. Let us grow together. And only one life. Play it big, make it big. And Shilpa, all the best to you. You're really doing
Wish you
good.
all the best, Vikram.
Yeah, you're really doing good, and keep continuing. You had many challenges. There are blockers which you overcame all of them. Keep doing the same work, make it big, and let us grow together.
Sure. Thank you so much.
See you. Bye bye.